Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Cardano ADA and I will tell you my next price target for the Cardano, and I will show you my most important charts of Cardano and I will tell you my next price target regarding Cardano. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful informations. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus, which is absolutely free, then go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and Bybit Exchange. Click on first link, it is Binance Exchange link, and after clicking create your account with my referral link, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section where you can get this link of Binance Exchange, Bybit Exchange. This is my affiliate link. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds, and after initial deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is tradable and which is withdrawable too. And you can also get 25% special trading discount on any trade. You can get 25% trading fees discount if you create Binance account with my link. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets. Here you can see this is the Cardano chart, and Cardano was in this ascending channel, or you can say rising channel, but unfortunately after hitting several times this zone, here you can see Cardano faced rejection, and after that Cardano, here you can see Cardano also faced rejection from that zone, and here you can see Cardano also face rejection from that zone, and this zone is the down trend line and support zone for the Cardano right now, and this is most strong support zone for the Cardano right now is at $1.30. If Cardano break this $1.30, in that case it will break this rising channel towards downside. In that case price of the Cardano can go very down, and maybe in that case price of target will be the like this. Let me please show you. If Cardano break this, in that case the target will be like this. $1.14 will be the initial target for the Cardano if Cardano break this ascending channel towards downside in that case. And if Cardano break $1.30 support zone, in that case it can go to $1.15. Maybe Cardano can go down to this level, the starting point of this rising channel, and it can go down to $1.10 level, maybe $1.13 level. This is the area. This is these are the support zone, strong support zone for the Cardano right now. And there is also another support zone for the Cardano is waiting for $1 area. This is very strong area. This is very strong support zone for Cardano. If in any case Cardano break this support zone, in that case definitely price can hit 60 cents, maybe 70 cents, maybe 50 cents. Cardano should have to hold these zones, and first major support zone is at $1.30, and second major support zone you can say $1.25, and this area $1.20, and after that it can go down to $1.10 major support zone and $1. But our initial target will be like this. If Cardano break this zone, and in that case definitely price will go up. If Cardano hold this zone, then it will go up to hit this zone, this blue line, and it can hit again $1.40, maybe $1.42 again. All eyes are on this level. This is very crucial level for the Cardano right now. If Cardano hold $1.30 area, in that case price will go up. Otherwise it can go down to $1.20, maybe $1.10, or maybe $1 too. And let me please show you the my indicators. EMA ribbon. Cardano break one hourly ribbon towards downside, and that is not a good sign. Cardano volume of the Cardano in hourly chart is very low, and let me please show you VPVR of Cardano. Cardano VPVR are starting from that zone $1.20 to $1.40. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution. Cardano should have to hold these zones, and maybe Cardano will move in between these zones. But if in any case Cardano break $1.20 area, in that case there are very low volume towers of VPVR that this is the indication that price can further go down. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI is at 46 and it is turning towards downside. That is not good sign, and Cardano have to hold this area $1.30, otherwise it can go down to hit my targets very soon. And let me please show you 4 hourly chart. Here you can see it is 4 hourly chart. This is support zone is waiting for Cardano is $1.30. This is the area $1.32, $1.30, $1.20 and $1.10. These are the areas. If I show you something very interesting and very important, then let me please do this. Cardano is in this rising channel. If in any case Cardano break this rising channel towards downside, in that case it can go further down to, let me please show you what are the targets. It can go down to hit this zone $1.40 or $1.15 you can say, and but I have to remove this and I have to show another important thing, very important thing. This is the Fibonacci level and Fibonacci retracement tool, and here you can see Cardano have to hold this golden pocket and have to hold this zone which is 0.5. If Cardano break this and it is at $1.30, if Cardano break this, in that case the next target is 1.20 and it is 0. Here you can see 0.38, and this is very crucial. And if in any case Cardano break this, it can go down to hit this zone $1. This area is very important, and this area also is also very important. These two areas Cardano have to hold, and 0.5 Fibonacci level, it is at $1.30, and 0.38 Fibonacci level which is at 1.23, or you can say $1.23. It is the area. If Cardano lose this area, in that case it can go down to hit this zone which is 0.98 cents, $0.98 or 98 cents, or you can say $1 area. Cardano have to hold this zone. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon, and after that I will show you other things. Cardano candles are going to break this 4 hourly EMA ribbon. Here you can see that is not a good sign, and volume of the Cardano in 4 hourly is not satisfactory. Volume is very low, and VPVR tower, most of the VPVR towers are starting from $1.22 to $1.60. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution. Once Cardano break $1.20, in that case here you can see there are very small VPVR volume towers. That is indicating that price can go down after hitting $1.20 area. Here you can see. And let me please show you the RSI, and let me please hide this again, and let me please show you. Sorry for that. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. 4 hourly RSI is at 48 and it is turning towards downside. If it hit 30 or if it goes below 30, in that case price of the Cardano will definitely go down. This is Cardano daily chart. Here you can see Cardano was in this descending channel, and after that Cardano break this successfully, and after that Cardano hit this $1.43. But now Cardano is maybe it is ready to hit this zone, and this is upper trend line of this descending channel for the Cardano is waiting in this area. Let me please show you. This is the area. And it is $1.22 area, or you can see 1.22 to $1.33 area. It's very, very important. And after hitting this area, maybe Cardano will pull back. If Cardano break this upper trend line, in that case Cardano price can go down to retest this blue line, which is at $1.08. This is the prediction in daily chart. Price can go down to $1.08. $1.08. But Cardano should have to hold this zone, $1.23, $1.22 area. $1.22 and $1.23 area is very, very important for the Cardano. If Cardano break this area, that in that case Cardano can go down to $1.08, and next zone will be very, very crucial and very disaster for the Cardano, and it is at $0.89, this downtrend line. I hope so Cardano will not go down to touch this price or to hit this price. I think Cardano have to hold this area, $1.22. Once Cardano hold this area, in that case price of the Cardano will move like this. All eyes are on this area, $1.30 and $1.22 area. If Cardano break these two support zone, in that case definitely Cardano price will go down. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon, unfortunately candles break this towards downside, and now it is turning as a strong resistance for the Cardano. Daily volume is not satisfactory, volume is very, very low. That is why Cardano is moving sideways. And let me please show you VPBR towers. Most of the VPBR towers are starting from $1.30 to $1.75 area. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for the execution. Once Cardano break $1.30 area, in that case there are very less volume towers of VPBR. That is the indication that price can further go down. We have to wait, and please do not use high leverage in this situation. Daily RSI of Cardano is at 45, and if it touch 30 or if it goes below 30, in that case this will be the disaster. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchange, these are the links. Just click on these links and create your accounts. This is Binance exchange link. Just click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And this is Bybit exchange link. Click on this link, and after initial deposit and create your after clicking this, create your account with my affiliate link, and after creating and after depositing, you can get $1,600 bonus absolutely free of Bybit, which is withdrawable to and tradable to. And you can get also 25% special fees discount on Binance on every trade if you create your Binance account with my affiliate link. My last words are that Cardano should have to hold this area, $1.30 and $1.22. If in any case Cardano break this 1.30 and $1.28 area, $1.22 area, in that case Cardano can go down to hit 1.08, maybe $1, maybe Cardano can go down further more down. we have to be very careful. Until now, this is the area we have to watch very carefully. $1.30. If Cardano hold this, then well and good. Otherwise, price of the Cardano will go down to 1.22, maybe $1.08. Thanks for the watching.